Have you heard the news? Pearson VUE has updated some of the capabilities of their testing platform. Now, those of you who have taken the test already know this, and you told us about it, so we had to look into it to confirm and get verification directly from Pearson VUE. And we did, and it's true, and it's exciting. So now, in addition to the physical whiteboard and marker and calculator on the actual computer, there is the addition of strike-throughs, like being able to cross things out right there on the screen. And there's also a highlight feature, so you can highlight words. And there is an electronic whiteboard for notes where you can type, draw, and even erase. If you've taken one of my workshops, then you already know how visual I am when dissecting and breaking down test questions. And so much of my strategy involves being able to cross out and highlight and mark up and draw things out on scratch paper. But I've had to remind students that even though we use these strategies when studying and taking mocks, on the actual day, that won't be something you'll be able to do. Until now, and man oh man, this is a game changer for any type of test taker. So I want to give you a few suggestions on how to get the most out of these new features. Now you can use the highlight feature for keywords or to highlight the last sentence so that you don't lose sight of what the question is asking. Or maybe you miss negation words like not or except. Well, now you can highlight those words so you don't miss them. You can use the crossout feature, this is my favorite, to eliminate answer options, which will for sure increase your chances for choosing the right answer. And now that electronic whiteboard. I suggest that you still use the physical whiteboard for your response prompts. That's going to be all the content you're going to write down prior to the exam, your acronyms, formulas, reminders, words of inspiration, etc. But the electronic one, now that can be where you draw out question-specific things like ABCs for plugging in specific scenarios, for writing out equations or drawing out scenario-specific visuals for yourself. You can use this in any way that you would use scratch paper because, as I said, there is a drawing and writing and erasing capability. Now, if all of this makes you nervous or you don't consider yourself especially tech savvy, don't worry because there is a tutorial on how to use these features prior to your exam. And in fact, the Pearson VUE website also has a place where you can practice using the new electronic whiteboard to see how it works. Anyway, this is all just really exciting and it's going to be incredibly helpful, and I just hope you're as excited as I am.